Nadine, EL's friend, she's having a party tonight too. Skylar's stuck on the counter, everybody. Everybody look at Skylar. She's stuck. Hey, what you doing? You better not fall, girl. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
What's your name?
What's your name, Ty?
No, what's your name?
What's my name?
What is your name?
What is my name?
Skylar.
Skylar.
Guess what kind of card I got you
Stop playing.
I'm not playing.
You're the biggest sundae in the world. You're a triple scoop, strawberry swirl, chocolate chip, vanilla cream, cherry on top kind of cousin. Happy birthday.
You think it's funny? She look like Sterling. Hey, move that balloon out my face. Move the balloon out my face, little girl. What you doing over there?
Recording you?
I look a hot mess. Hot. Hot.
Who's gonna win? Babysitter versus baby? This is so hilarious.
Let's leave her. Let's leave her. Let's leave her. Come on, Kobe. Let's leave.
Baby stuck on counter. Yo. Ew, her booty.
Oh. If you would have fell,
Iced tea.
I would have laughed.
Yeah, we wanted to make some tea.
With that icy right there. Ew.
Where'd you get your camera?
We're recording you.
Walmart.
Really?
Yeah.
Second baby.
Stop.
I'm getting everything.
Little.
Of me? Oh, come on.
What's her name? What's your name?
Did you get it?
What is he doing?
Get with that, baby.
Ew.
Hey. Whoa.
OMG.
Did you get it too?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yo.
You make me die.
Okay.
Let me do you. Okay.
Did you see your
Okay.
face?
Okay.
Did you see Eo's face?
This is Mother's Day.
Oh, I'm gonna watch this and I'm gonna die
Valentine's
laughing.
Day. No. Excuse me, Haley.
No, because this is funny. What's gonna happen?
Now what?
Are you really going to put this on Facebook?
Huh? Are you?
No. Listen to her. Listen to her.
That's like we left.
Now.
You said you about to fart.
Yes.
You better stop knocking me with that balloon.
It's the dog.
Better stop knocking me with that damn balloon.
Okay.
She's entertainment. It's
Why
funny.
is it open? Doesn't it say close if it's open?
Who did that?
Your father maybe because he turned it off.
I don't know. Those beans look like they need to be stirred up.
These are Nadine's beans.
You don't see the butter floating on the top?
She has to put it in the oven, I guess.
You want to come watch it?
Look at Willow Smith over here.
Let me get
Do you
down.
see my face?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Doesn't Kobe look like Willow Smith?
Put me back
Yes,
on
she
this
does.
table. Put me back on this table.
Scott, what are you playing?
So you see this girl? And Mia came in here.
Look at
You
these
got jokes. You got jokes.
Let me go see what's going on in here. You know what I mean? Pudgy. Hi, Pudge. Hi, Pudgy. Hi, guys. Oh, you daddy. I'm coming to get you. I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna count to 5. Go. 1, 2. Skylar. Ah! Are you really hugging me right now?
Pick me up.
How am I gonna pick you up?
Oh my goodness! But you gotta see. You gotta see. Let me walk into the kitchen. Give me back here. That's funny.
All right, y'all. Say bye to the camera.
Bye bye, camera.
I love